Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. What we got here is a 1971 Chevrolet C20 custom camper, two-wheel drive, obviously with the C20. She's a 350 small block, 4-speed with granny low. She's got a lot of sweet patina on her, and this truck actually we saved from being crushed in a wreck yard. Had to put some new wheels and tires on. It had the factory 16.5-inch rims. Rubber's a little hard to come by for those. That and they're just, way past due. But the project at hand here is we're going to leave the sweet patina that she's got. It just, looks really good, especially with these bronzed wheels. And she's got some rust issues. I mean, they all do in all the usual places, especially here in the Pacific Northwest. But, typical floorboards, inner and outer rockers, needs a dash pad, windshield. But definitely the big part is the roof. The inner pan needs to be replaced, needs some upper A-pillar work, rain channels, all that stuff. So we are going to be doing a pro touring setup with this. She's currently a leaf spring truck. The plan is to convert it to a coilover suspension, and there's the old wheels and tires. Rubbers are shot. Needs some cleanup work. We just brought her home recently. Haven't got to her just yet, but stay tuned. There's a lot more to come with this truck. Welcome to Midnight Customs.